you're experiencing a login failure on your Nintendo Switch with error code 2025, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check internet connection. Ensure that your Nintendo Switch is connected to the internet. Go to System Settings, select Internet, and test your connection to confirm it is working properly. Step 2. Restart your console. Power off your Nintendo Switch completely by holding the power button for a few seconds, then select Power Options and turn off. Wait a moment, then turn it back on to refresh the system. Step 3. Update system software. Make sure your Nintendo Switch is running the latest software version. Go to System Settings, select System, then Software Update, and choose via the internet to check for updates. Step 4. Check Nintendo server status. Visit the official Nintendo website to check if there are any ongoing server issues or maintenance that could be affecting your ability to log in. Step 5. Reset your password. If the issue persists, try resetting your Nintendo account password. Go to the Nintendo account website, select Forgot your password, and follow the instructions to reset it. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the login failure issue. If problems continue, consider reaching out to Nintendo support for further assistance.